John Summers here. I work for RBC ITS. I found it very helpful, very insightful. I also, regarding not just the playbooks, but also the threats, and ultimately gave a good overview and encouraged more investigation, learning, and I think I also will corroborate some other of my colleagues that in RBC have also attended this course and other training under this, under OMR supervision. So I'd highly recommend it, and I'm looking forward to bringing this back and also expanding my own knowledge. Thank you.